Today, we are going to be recreating famous paintings on tiny little keycaps.
She looks like a ghoul. She looks like a ghoul.
Oh my gosh, that looks so bad. Oh my
So
God.
hard, you guys.
Hey, that ain't bad.
From far away.
Now, we've done this before when we followed a Bob Ross tutorial on the keycaps, and you can get a sense of how tiny they are by looking at my hand. And this is the paintbrush we're gonna use to paint with. I am gonna be trying to recreate Starry Night.
And I'm gonna try the Mona Lisa. But the difficult thing is, with the Bob Ross, we had a tutorial to follow.
Yeah, we are just gonna
We can take it one step at a time.
We're just gonna be like painting on our own. Oh my gosh. Between the Bob Ross and this is much harder. I'm gonna still stick to some general principles of painting that we learned from Bob Ross, like start with the background.
I'm gonna
and
do
then
that too.
Move to the foreground. Because, you know, I can paint that tree over the like little swirls in the Starry Night, but I can't.
Is that a tree? Is that what it is?
What did you think it was? The castle?
I don't know. It looks like a black flame.
I guess that's
up
that's
to
the beauty of art.
Interpretation.
Yeah.
So the hard thing with yours, because you're
Yeah.
doing a Van Gogh, is like, he doesn't really blend. It's all brush strokes. And you can only get,
brush strokes. Like this is as fine as I can go.
maybe
This
try
is-
the single hairbrush.
Oh yeah.
I'll get water cups. Maybe try the single hairbrush.
This is supposed to be like the finest brush there is.
Have you tried
and
single
it's
hair?
so scraggly.
Try single hair. What if you have to do the whole painting in single hairbrush?
I'm gonna modify this. I'm gonna try to trim. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, get that guy out of here.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, he fell in line. Maybe that's
I'm
okay
gonna
now.
trim that little bit of the end off.
What, but that's your sharp point. Don't you want that?
Maybe. Yeah, but the tip doesn't do anything.
Yeah, you're right. It's not even like applying it. It's useless.
Useless. I wonder if it's, you know, also just drawing out a little bit because,
Because it's so thin.
yeah, we did tiny paintings in oil last time. There's a chance we might need to switch over
Yeah,
mid-project.
chat is saying thin the paint.
Thin the paint. Mm-hmm. Okay. Why are you laughing? I'm outlining.
I didn't laugh until you
I'm
laughed.
outlining, okay?
I didn't laugh until you laughed. Here, should I try mine for a little bit?
Yeah, try yours for a little bit.
Okay. I think the difficulty in mine comes from the fact that I'm gonna try to like do a face, which I think is just inherently
Super hard.
difficult, you know, but I'm gonna start with the background like Bob Ross. So like, even though my brain like wants to see the colors a certain way, it's almost like there's a green or teal wash of color over everything. So
Yeah.
the background, I'm trying to like look at it in isolation and not think of it as a sky.
Maybe just do like a base layer of like yellow to start with. Let that dry and then paint everything over that yellow base.
Maybe.
So I've added like 2 lines to kind of mark the horizon in mine. And I think I have them fairly laid out, fairly like well proportioned. Now, again, I'm gonna have to squish, Katelyn's gonna have to stretch the Mona Lisa out and make a wide Lisa. And I'm gonna have to skinny up the Starry Night, so a slightly less Starry Night. Guys, stick with us. Stick with us.
You know,
this is a rough start, and then we're gonna pull it together in the end.
Maybe
It's gonna
it'll be
beautiful.
just like our dryer ball needle felting. They look so bad at first. Oh, I mean, mine looked great the whole way through, but yours looked so bad at first. And then, but then it was like the best one.
Thank you. Oh yeah, look at that. You've made so much progress.
Well, it's just one color.
You've made so much progress, baby. I love it.
Oh, thank you.
It's looking beautiful.
Thanks. Painting is hard, y'all.
Just like figuring out, refiguring out like color theory too.
Yeah.
Like, how do you make puke green?
Yeah, exactly.
It's like
is a
green
difficult
with
color.
yellow, but then yellow makes it bolder. So how do you unsaturate?
Brown and white is what I've been doing to unsaturate it, and black. But look, mine is still, it's too teal. What's wrong with my eyes?
All right, I'm gonna go for some glowy spots. I'm just gonna kind of like dot out where some stars are. Add that one there. Oh my gosh, that looks so bad. It looks so bad.
You're just adding the background.
I'm just adding the background. You're right. I'm just adding the background, and that's okay.
Katelyn's needs a drop of yellow. I've been adding a lot of yellow. Is it getting closer now?
In real life, it looks better than it does here. I'm just gonna do some like dark blue and earthy tones for my lower area now.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do my little trees.
Good luck, baby.
Thank you. I don't think I have my color quite right. It's coming off kind of gray. More saturation.
Again, I do think that there's like a blessing and a curse when it comes to
Yes.
I forgot what I was saying. Like literally, like my brain just like short-circuited.
But you know, there is a blessing and a curse. What they are is up to you, the viewer. Almost like some sort of horizon line. Like I don't really know what is in this background. There's just like vague tree-esque things.
Yeah, just put some vague tree-esque things, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what I was gonna say.
What?
Moving to acrylic is a blessing and a curse because it allows us to layer really quickly, like go over our past mistakes, where oil just blends forever. You have to wait like days. But with acrylic, you can just kind of go over it right away. But then the issue is it dries out really quick, even like on your brush.
Yeah, as
Like,
you're going.
Like you're mid-painting, you think you're painting, you think you're good, and then like you realize you're not leaving any paint behind because it's all dried up on your brush. What's you feeling, baby? Hey, that's great.
Oh, thank you.
I recognize, like that background makes sense to me.
Okay.
Now you're gonna put the canyons behind her?
Yeah. Yeah, there's like canyons. You know, I've never really paid attention to the background.
Yeah, there's like
There's
mountains.
a bridge.
There's like mountains
Did you know
behind
there's
her.
a bridge in the background of Mona Lisa?
Are you gonna crop it like this, or are you gonna expand the width? Because I think that you could just crop it like that.
Oh, like crop off the bottom?
Crop off her hands.
Don't do right.
Don't do her hands. Everyone cares about her face.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, who needs hands?
Who needs
I'm not
hands?
doing anything with them. Do only her hands, no face. Like, look, wow, that's way too red. Too orange. Color. Ugh.
Colors are hard.
Colors are hard. I actually like, okay, yours, I just looked at it in real life. It's looking pretty good in real life. Now, it needs work, like on the detail, but like at a glance, I can kind of see it.
Like some of the colors are in the right place.
Yeah.
I wanna move to single hair brush time.
Oh boy.
This is a single hair, and I'm gonna try to kind of give it some stroke. You know, I think that kind of worked. Katelyn doing her canyons.
I'm doing my canyons, guys. I tried to see the little windy path on the left. I tried to get it, but it's very difficult. I don't know, I gotta work on it. It's interesting because it's like, you know, I'm trying to do like these canyons and stuff, and it's just like, you can't actually paint canyons or a bridge or a
At the
path.
scale?
It's just like, give the impression of canyon.
Yeah, like can you just make some dots that imply that?
Yeah.
I think my sky is coming along okay-ish. I'm getting more and more okay with my sky, especially after adding some of the swirls and the stars. I think I'm gonna work on the land a little bit more.
My lip is twitching, I think like out of stress.
Your lip is twitching out of stress?
Yeah, I think so. Okay.
I'll move it more in the center so then they can kind of see it in between.
I'm about to start her face. And I'm really nervous.
I got so excited, I spilled my gamer subs.
Oh my gosh, my lip is twitching so much. Okay, I'm gonna do her face. She's kind of like yellowy green. I feel like I need like a little green for her face. She looks very sickly. I'm trying to like get her skin tone right. More yellow, I think. Like this is pretty.
No, just go for that. We'll color balance it later.
No, she's yellower.
You're gonna make her a Simpsons
She's
character.
not gonna be a Simpsons. She just needs to be like more sickly looking.
Yeah, more old.
Not old, sick.
I'm pretty happy with the shape of the mountains overall. I don't want to mess with it so much that I like lose the shape
Oh
that
yeah,
I'm getting
I
really
like the
happy
shape
with.
of your mountains. Yeah, you even got like some of that detail on the right. That's looking really good, baby. I'm gonna start it like that color okay? No, it's not yellow enough. How? How does she need to be even more yellow?
Oh my God, so, like some yellow for the houses and like, you know, the lights and the windows and stuff.
Okay, I'm just gonna do like the impression of the shape of a face and then I'll carve it out kind of like with her hair. So I need like her face and her neck and her chest. I wonder how Da Vinci would feel about this being his most famous painting. Maybe he'd be like, whoa, sick keycap. Is she gonna have cleavage? She doesn't really have much in, like a little bit.
Disparaging remarks. She don't have much.
Well, no, it's just, not that she doesn't have much. I'm sure she has ample.
Yeah.
But it's just not much is showing. Her hair is almost like a dark, like reddish brown if you really look at it. There's like a little bit of hint of red. So I'm gonna do her hair now.
I do think, what are you laughing at? Oh, yeah, baby. Paint the Mona Lisa.
This is what I told you, this is where it falls apart, okay?
Mona Lego.
It's gonna look like a Lego character.
Mona Lego.
Mona Lego.
Once you add the eyes and the nose.
It's gonna look worse. Oh, she's got a perm.
Yes!
Okay.
Mona Lego!
Oh no.
Mona Lego's the new beauty standard, baby.
She's hanging out in a hot spring. Yeah, it looks like she's submerged in a hot spring.
It does.
It does. Okay, I'm gonna add some like face shadows. I think that'll help. So we're actually sponsored by another YouTuber today. It's Jazza, and he just released a new series of carry-all bags specifically designed to carry all of your tech, sketchbooks, art supplies, chargers, even your drinks. Now what's special about these bags? Yes, they're made of durable materials with an attractive design.
Yes, they come in 5 awesome colors.
Yes, they can be used as messenger bags, backpacks, or carried by the handle.
Yes, they come with a removable marker pouch and discreet zipper compartment inside.
But honestly, one of the coolest things is they were designed by someone who's a creator himself who set out to make a bag for other people with similar needs.
There's a larger bag called the Carry-All Studio and a smaller bag called the Carry-All Lite, and both are available right now on Kickstarter if you click the link in our description.
By the way, the Carry-All Studio is large enough to fit a laptop, and the Lite is still big enough to fit an iPad Pro. Plus, they both have really thoughtful compartments.
The Kickstarter is live and only running for a few weeks, so if you want either bag individually, both for a discount, or the loaded bundle, which is both bags plus a bunch of other goodies and perks, click the link now in our description.
I'm making her head taller, which makes it look like she's bald on top. It looks like she's bald.
Oh!
But Chad had a good point, like her head is higher up, and I don't want to redo everything, but I can certainly make her head start a little higher.
Oh, she's Golem.
Every time I like reshape her face or do anything, she just looks so derpy. You guys, this is the most beautiful woman. And look what I'm doing to her. I don't even know what or why. This is the most stressful live stream.
Oh, I've added the tower.
The tower? There's a tower?
There's like a church. You see that church tower right there?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Or I'm guessing that's a church tower.
It's like a steeple,
tower.
yeah.
A steeple. I'm gonna try to do that.
So is her name Mona or is it Lisa? Like if I was to call her a nickname.
Bart.
Ooh, it's kind of coming. It's a little bit better now.
Yeah.
It's coming along a little bit better.
It looks like one of those like IKEA dolls with a wig.
Yeah. Dude.
Like a wooden doll, you know?
Yeah.
But like there's a face shape to it.
Like there's shading now.
There's some shading. Put
like-
some clothes on that girl.
Well, I'm trying to wait till I'm trying to do the face while I still have the color slightly.
Yeah, you're
Damp.
right. Slightly damp.
Just imagine she's in a hot pool. Mona Lisa was a famous hot tub streamer. Yeah, she is now.
The truth leaks.
Okay, I'm gonna try to like give her like eye shadows. Because even though she doesn't have eyebrows, she does have like
Recesses.
as we all do. It does. Okay, I'm gonna add some like face shadows. I think that'll help. She looks like a ghoul. She looks like a ghoul. Oh,
She does look like a ghoul.
She looks like a ghoul.
She will haunt you. She will haunt you.
She definitely will. I just tried to add her mouth.
Lisa! Oh, you know, what expression is she making? You don't know.
You don't know. Is she smiling? Is she sad?
Mona Lisa's even more mysterious than Mona Lisa.
She is. She's very mysterious.
Oh, my
So
love.
hard, you guys.
Oh, my love.
This is so hard. Oh no. Too much.
This is looking like a horror film.
She looks like the creature from the Black Lagoon. Oh man.
Oh, I'm gonna start adding in the most important detail. I'm gonna start adding in the tree. One that starts right here. And I'll just do a few more strokes like that. And I'm just like smearing over my stars and everything, but whatevs. Hey, that ain't bad.
Hey, yeah, baby. Mona Lisa kind of has a 5 head. Yeah, she kind of has a little bit of a 5 head, like a beautiful 5 head. It's like I can bring her hair down a little bit. There, it's less now. I could try my single hair brush to try to give her a little bit more of a mouth.
Looks like she just ate some chocolate.
It's way too high. It's way too high. I'll erase it. It's getting closer.
She's going.
She's not going. She's going.
It looks like she's going.
No! It's a snail. That didn't improve it. Didn't make it worse.
I'm thinking here. I'm thinking here. We were able to get a higher detail in the oil, I think,
Because it didn't dry so fast?
than here. What if we swap? I might try swapping over to oil paint for a little bit.
What?
I think I'll make up a little palette here. So now I'm gonna zoom in again. I'm gonna really show you. Like, this is me trying my best with like the best brush, with the best paint and everything. I'm gonna
Okay,
try to
let's see.
leave tiny lines. I'm gonna try to leave
Okay.
tiny lines just to like indicate the stroke direction. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Ooh.
That's big.
It's hard, yeah.
That's big.
It's very difficult.
I even like lightly loaded it. It was so greasy. I don't know if I like it. Hey, you know, baby, Ghoulies is looking great.
Yeah, Ghoul Lisa. I just added her hands.
Yes! Yes!
I'm working on it.
You kept her hands. You know, again, from far away, can you?
Yeah, just hold it up. From far away.
Wait,
I mean, look at that.
can you?
I think it looks like Starry Night.
Does it give the impression of Starry Night?
Yeah. Oh, now you're just getting so close, it might as well. There you go. Let me try mine.
Hey!
Vibe of Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa vibes.
See, like from here, it's much more forgiving.
It's so much more forgiving.
There we go.
Yeah, even that, not
Yours
bad.
looks great. Mine's starting to look a little ghoulish. From
Okay,
this close.
okay, let's bring it back out. Let's bring it back out. Yeah, baby. Okay,
Yeah.
let's work on a little more. Honestly, that gives me some hope.
What are you trying to add to yours? Like, what do you feel like yours is lacking?
What do you feel like mine is lacking?
I don't know. I feel like it's like kind of done.
Like, did that just like sneak up on us? I think these look beautiful.
I think they look great.
Look,
Wow.
guys, would you please look from a distance at our beautiful keycaps?
Yes.
The tiny Mona Lisa,
Giving vibes of Mona Lisa.
giving vibes of Mona Lisa,
Yes.
and the tiny Starry Night. Look
vibes
at
of Starry
that.
Night.
Look at that.
Yes.
I think it's beautiful.
I think it's beautiful, and I think it's not, it's really not going to get any better.
No,
This is it.
this is it.
It gets worse the more you zoom in. The ghoul is coming out.